So today I want to show you how to buy into crypto on Coinbase. So we have the app loaded up here in real time so you can follow along. Now, if by chance you actually don't have Coinbase already, we'll have a link for you in these show notes down below. It actually gets you $10 in Bitcoin for free when you buy $100 of any kind of crypto, and it does help support out the channel for more free content just like this. So we're up here on the main page of Coinbase, and you can see with this demo account, we got about $15.51 in our account. Now we want to go ahead and buy some crypto. Of course, you want to make sure you have an account on file, which if you don't know, I'll have a video link in the show notes so you can watch that video. But what we're going to do today is go ahead and buy a crypto. Now with my demo account here, you can see on our watch list, we have a couple different cryptos available for us. But if we didn't have this available for us, we would most likely see some of our top movers, and we'll see a couple other pieces of information. So in order to go to the crypto you might want to be buying today, you can click on prices towards the bottom icons here. And this is going to actually take you to the overall market with crypto. Now you can see all the different options you have available for you. This is technically all assets, but you can click on tradable, and this is all of the ones that you can actually trade on Coinbase. Now, if you want to find the one you're looking for, you can just scroll around, and once you find it, you can go ahead and just click on that. So today we're going to do Algorand, and you can see currently it tells you the price of the actual coin, and then you'll see the trade option towards the bottom. If we click on here, it'll bring up a couple different options, and we're going to click on buy right over here. And currently it's going to just have us put in a dollar amount that we want to purchase with. It'll tell us currently cash available. We have $2.26 in this demo account. But if we click on here, we can choose a bank and put any kind of amount we want, up to about like 35,000, I believe it is. It says right there. So today we're just going to do the cash balance. So we're going to do $2.26. Currently we're going to do it as a one-time purchase. And also too, if you want to buy exact amounts as well, you can click the two arrow buttons towards the top right here, and you can choose the amount of Algorand you want to buy. So if we want to buy exactly just one, it'll do that right there for us as well too. But today we're going to do the total of $2.26 that we have on file right here. So from the bottom here, it's going to show the preview option. So we're going to want to click on preview, and this is going to tell you how much algo you're going to earn, how much it's going to cost you to actually purchase this. And if everything looks good, you can click on buy now, and then it'll go through the process to be able to complete the transaction. And just like that, you now have crypto in your Coinbase account. Now I want you to learn how to sell your crypto by clicking this video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.